हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सभी? उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सभी स्वस्थ होंगे, अच्छे से होंगे। तो आज इस वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं क्लास 6 का मार्च 2024 का इंग्लिश का क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, इन विच सब्जेक्ट वॉज पैट्रिक आउट ऑफ लक? ऑप्शन ए इंग्लिश, ऑप्शन बी ज्योग्राफी, ऑप्शन सी मैथमेटिक्स, ऑप्शन डी हिस्ट्री। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी मैथमेटिक्स। क्वेश्चन 2, विच फीलिंग इज फाउंड एट अ होम? ऑप्शन ए सेक्रीफाइस, ऑप्शन बी रिवेंज, ऑप्शन सी जेलस, ऑप्शन डी सिक्योरिटी। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी सिक्योरिटी। क्वेश्चन 3, change the following sentence into indirect speech. He said, "What a beautiful sight." Option A, he exclaimed that was a very beautiful sight. Option B, he exclaimed with wonder that was a very beautiful sight. Option C, he exclaimed with admiration that it was a very beautiful sight. Option D, he exclaimed with joy that it was a very wonderful sight. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, ही exclaimed that was a very beautiful sight. Question 4, select antonym for the underlined word. His loving and caring family is always doing good for the others. Loving and caring. Option A kind, option B sweet, option C adorable, option D hateful. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी hateful. Question 5, who welcomed the king in the ashram? Option A, the bird living near the Rishi's ashram. Option B, the Rishi himself. Option C, the bird living near the cave. Option D, the king's soldier. इसका right answer है option B, the Rishi himself. Question 6, in whose voice Tansen rode from behind a tree? Option A, in a lion's voice, option B in a fox voice, option C in an elephant's voice, option D in an tiger's voice. इसका right answer है option D in a tiger's voice. Question 7, change the following sentence into passive voice. Roni gave me a pen. Option A, a pen was given to Roni by me. Option B, I gave a pen to Roni. Option C, I was given a pen by Roni. Option D, a pen given to me by Roni. इसका right answer है option A, a pen was given to Roni by me. Question 8, what does the word gong mean? Option A, a large flat circular piece of metal object which makes a loud sound when one hits it. Option B, a large boat. Option C, a type of cage. Option D, a wooden stick. इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, अ लार्ज फ्लैट सर्कुलर पीस ऑफ मेटल ऑब्जेक्ट विच मेक्स अ लाउड साउंड व्हेन वन हिट्स इट. क्वेश्चन 9, फाइंड द सेंटेंस इन विच कैपिटल लेटर्स इज यूज्ड करेक्टली. ऑप्शन ए, मिस्टर सैनी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड हर टू मी. ऑप्शन बी, शी इज टेकिंग द प्लेस ऑफ मिस्टर भटनागर. ऑप्शन सी, शी विल एंजॉय वर्किंग विद T.R. Bhatia. ऑप्शन डी, मिस गोयल इज आर न्यू लाइब्रेरियन. इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, शी विल एंजॉय वर्किंग विद T.R. Bhatia. क्वेश्चन 10, व्हाट वाज द एम ऑफ मिस बीम स्कूल? ऑप्शन ए, टू टीच न्यू टीचिंग मेथड टू स्टूडेंट्स. ऑप्शन बी, टू टीच स्टूडेंट्स थॉटफुलनेस. ऑप्शन सी, टू टीच स्टूडेंट गुड मैनर्स. ऑप्शन डी, टू मेक चिल्ड्रन डी वैंडम. इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, टू टीच स्टूडेंट्स थॉटफुलनेस. क्वेश्चन 11, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद करेक्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. राधा डैश 3 पेंटिंग्स लास्ट ईयर. ऑप्शन ए, हैज़ मेड. ऑप्शन बी, विल मेक. ऑप्शन सी, मेड. ऑप्शन डी, मेक्स. इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, मेड. क्वेश्चन 12, व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन द ओल्ड मैन ड्रैंक शेक. ऑप्शन ए, हिज शिवरिंग स्टॉप्ड. Option B, the old man died. Option C, he started shouting. Option D, he became unconscious. इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, his shivering stopped. क्वेश्चन 13, Which of the following is a meaningful sentence? Option A, cat black a chasing dog the is. Option B, chasing is the black cat the dog. Option C, a black cat is chasing the dog. Option D, in chasing the dog a black cat. इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, a black cat is chasing the dog. Question 14. Kalpana Chawla had encyclopedic knowledge. What does this mean? Option A, she knew everything about astronauts. Option B, she had mastery over biology, astrophysics and engineering. Option C, she memorized the whole Britannica encyclopedia. Option D, she had knowledge of wide variety of subjects. इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, she had knowledge of wide variety of subjects. Question 15. After leaving the wolf, the dog decided to serve which animal? Option A, the bear. Option B, the tiger. Option C, the cow. Option D, the lion. इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, द बियर. Question 16. Who was trying to mesmerize the mongoose into making a false move? इसका राइट आंसर है कोबरा. Question 17. Where is Konark Temple situated? इसका आंसर है ओडिशा. Question 18. Who is the poet of the poem Garden Snake? इसका आंसर है मुरियल एस सोने. Question 19. Keep the food covered dash the files will contaminate it. इसका आंसर है और. Question 20. The little man granted Patrick a wish because he wanted to escape from the dash. इसका आंसर है cat. Question 21. Which things is the food and dress of thought? इसका आंसर है words are. Question 22. The boy fell dash the wall. इसका आंसर है in. Question 23. Rohit is dash unique boy. इसका आंसर है A. Question 24. The narrator befriended with the cobra. ये false है. Question 25. The blind day was the most difficult day in Miss Beam's school. ये true है. अब जो हमारे 26 से 33 क्वेश्चंस हैं. क्वेश्चन 26. What is called a house? इसका आंसर है a house is a building in which people live, usually the people belonging to one family. Question 27. Whose voice did the king hear while he was sitting under the tree and what did he say? इसका आंसर है the king heard a big brown bird's voice. It was calling the robbers to rob the king. The king hurriedly got up from there, rode away. Question 28. What kind of masters did the dog decide to find for himself? इसका आंसर है in the beginning the dog himself was his own master. He decided to find a master who was stronger than anyone on earth. Question 29. How did the monkey and the crocodile become good friends? इसका आंसर है the monkey and the crocodile become a good friend after the monkey decided to give the crocodile some fruit. Question 30. Explain the line how bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. इसका आंसर है a kite looks brighter on a clear sky when it flies for the first time. Question 31. Why did the farmer want to have a pet? इसका आंसर है the farmer wanted the boy to have a companion when he grew up. Question 32. Who wanted to become the Prime Minister of India and why she thought so? इसका आंसर है Dolma aspires to become the Prime Minister driven by her ambition to serve the country. Question 33. What was the reward given by the Emperor of Japan to Taro? इसका आंसर है Japanese Emperor reward Taro with 20 pieces of gold. Question 34. What does the poet think about the teachers? इसका आंसर है the poet thinks that His teachers are not ordinary persons. Question 35. How was Akbar pleased with Tansen? इसका आंसर है The king used to praise him and give him gifts. Question 36. How was Miss Beam's school different? इसका आंसर है The children were taught how to spell words, do sums and write. Question 37. How were the thoughts expressed by the poet? इसका आंसर है The poet wants his countrymen to not treat anyone on the basis of his caste, creed, religion or language. Question 38. Describe the friendship between the monkey and the crocodile. इसका आंसर है The monkey and the crocodile become good friends after the monkey decided to give the crocodile some fruits. Question 39. What did the king hear about the shepherd and why did he think to do? इसका आंसर है He had heard that the shepherd was very wise and understood people's sorrow and troubles. Question 40. Why did the poet want to become a hawker, a gardener and a watchman? इसका आंसर है The child wants to be a hawker because he wants to spend his day on the road. He wants to be a gardener because he does whatever he likes with the spade. The child wants to be a watchman because he never goes to his bed in his life and he wishes to walk the street all night chasing the shadows with his lantern. Question 41. Read the stanza and answer the questions. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting, anything in earnest. Question 1. What can be heard at night? इसका आंसर है We can hear wind, sighing night, falling or a singer chanting in the night. Question 2. From which poem this stanza has been taken and who is the poet? इसका आंसर है Beauty और नरेटर का नाम है E. Yashore. Question 3. Why is it so that one can listen clearly at night? इसका आंसर है Singer. Question 42. How did the author describe the banyan tree? Or give an account of Miss Beam's personality? इसका आंसर है The poet is impressed by its huge figure as he says the great trees revealed its rings of 200 years. The physical description of the banyan craves an image of an angima, the tree's aerial roots dangling above to reach out the ground. They are the proof of all the years and decades the tree had lived. Miss Beam had been mature, in charge woman who was young, compassionate and empathetic. She was just a little overweight and had grey hair. A private school in which both girls and boys resided and studied was run by Miss Beam. Question 43. Where would you go if you could travel to any place in the world and what would you do there? Write a paragraph describing your dream adventure. I would want to go to Japan to visit. I think I have this ambition or dream to one day take a vacation there because I watch anime where they have beautiful mountains and snow. Not only that, but a spooky haunted forest. I am into the paranormal, so I would like to experience it at night. Write a story based on the picture. The Foolish Lion and the Clever Rabbit. Once upon a time, there lived a greedy lion who attacked and killed animals, because of which every animal in the jungle was very afraid of him. One day they decided that each animal would go to the lion per day as his prey. The lion agreed. When it was the rabbit's turn, they decided to send the wise old one. He traveled slowly and reached the lion's den before sunset. The lion furiously asked him, "Why are you so late?" The rabbit answered, "A group of rabbits were coming to you, but on their way they were attacked by another ferocious lion. I managed to escape and come." The rabbit also mentioned that the other lion was challenging you. The lion was extremely angry and asked the rabbit to take him to meet the new lion. The wise rabbit took the lion to the deep well and showed him his own reflection. As the lion growled, his reflection did the same. The enraged lion jumped into the well and died. Question 44. Look at the table below and answer the following questions. Question 1. What is the color of an orange? इसका आंसर है orange. Question 2. Which fruit has a crisp texture? इसका आंसर है apple. Question 3. Where does the pineapple originate from? इसका आंसर है tropical. Question 4. Describe the taste of grape. इसका आंसर है sweet. Question 5. Which fruit has an tangy taste? इसका आंसर है orange. तो यहाँ पे हमारी वीडियो ख़त्म होती है. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू.